This is our hot air thickening machine. Independent control of the electric box and servo motor protects the machine from overheating and prolongs the machine life. This is feeding winder. Front and rear are independently controlled by cylinders. You can operate both winders independently.
Can be raised and lowered freely. If you want to bond thick materials, you can raise the winder, such as 100毫米、150毫米 thick materials, leading to smoother feeding.
A total of 4 rollers, 2 rollers for upper and lower materials respectively, ensure that the materials are fully bonded and aligned. Equipped with a needle to release the air in the foam, saving the cost of a whole pressing machine and allowing gluing to be done one day in advance. Equipped with automatic oiling device. The foam is automatically tightened to save unloading time. The surface of the 2 rolls of material can be fully contacted to avoid weak bonding. No need for experienced workers to operate, saving labor costs. The operation is simple, just one button to start. PLC screen intelligent control, simple operation, one button start. No need to manually pull the material out, protecting the safety of workers. The rewinding frame can be intelligently retracted. The upper and lower rollers are controlled by the same motor, so the material movement is synchronized too. Avoid inconsistent length or bending of the material. The drum has a built-in cooling water device to prevent thin materials from being burned and protect the materials. The advantage of horizontal discharging style over vertical discharging is that the material is flat and will not bend. The product is made of durable and robust materials that can withstand heavy use, weigh approximately 2 tons. Adjustment winder here. The winder is sturdy, even materials with a thickness of 150 millimeters can be held very firmly.